So this couple from Zimbabwe, yeah, they are tourists. They traveled all the way from Zimbabwe with their bikes, crossing several countries, and then entering Nigeria through Gembu in Taraba from Cameroon. And to celebrate the success of their journey, the wife danced to the rhythm of Igbo ogene and music. She tagged it the Nigerian signature dance, which of course is see ndị Igbo anyị bụ nnukwu mmanwụ adịghị akwa anyị aka. Most of you who are Igbos, you don't know who you are because abela means siegi with some kind of people that you are not realizing how great our ancestors are. Every Igbo person needs to go back and start asking about their roots. Draw into alage. How did I come up? Who was my grandmother? Who is my grandfather? Ask about yourself. Ask about yourself. Some of you baby now actually like you want to westernize everything. That is not our culture. Indeed, with the culture. We are the people of culture. We have a way of life. See, we are the mighty masquerades that can't be moved. Indeed, but too much. And until most of you start realizing all of those things, especially those people named identity crisis, they will start, coming back to their roots. We need to share our roots, Ike. Yeah. Keep on representing our culture. The world is watching and acknowledging. We are a formidable force. And there is nothing anybody can do. Okay, decimate Ndi Igbo can never be decimated. It is not possible. So actually, as only Igbo, I want you to start having an introspection. Don't be quiet or look what your name in America. The only no country can conquer America. Do you know why? They love their citizens. Love. Now, these people, how different people, they just came together and say we are going to be indivisible. Talk of we Ndibo. Now so fast. So. Do you know how mighty we are? Akacham. Register your children in our Igbo Academy and see great improvement. If you also want to learn content, DM me. And we have power banks for sale. If you want it, also DM me. 20k, 30k, and 50k mAh. I'm just a DM.
From Nigeria, Nigerians, we are here, cycling from Zimbabwe to Nigeria, guys. We made it. I'm so excited. Woo! Guys, we made it from Zimbabwe, Zambia, Botswana, Namibia, Angola, DRC, Republic of Congo, Gabon, Cameroon, Nigeria. We are here. Guys, this is so exciting. Guys, can you believe that we use this? We use like, this is one thing that is so exciting, guys. Is fulfilling your dreams. This is us fulfilling our dreams right now. Like, guys, who's ready to see how beautiful Nigeria is? Who's ready to see the giant of Africa? Welcome to Giant of Africa, guys. I'm so excited. Anyhow.